of our Ambassador, Mr. Kon Chian Wo, BMG Chairperson, Ahmad Ali Habib, Bangkok CEO and Managing Director, Mohammed Sharif, Vadanti Bangkok Board Member, Vadanti Behem Befulung, Media Befulung, Assalamu alaikum. आदमी हफ्ला कुरेद में हम जी फैमिली बैंक ऑफ मॉरिस के फरातुं फुरतम फहारा चाइनीस युआन अकाउंट के हिद में राज्य तारफ कुरमा बेवे हास हफ्ला है मी हफ्ला की मी हफ्ला का इमे फुरतम स्मृति बैंक के सीईओ आदि मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर मोहम्मद शरीफ के वाहक फुर देखे और मियाँ साहब बंदरना वाला नंग बैंक के सीईओ आदि मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर मोहम्मद शरीफ
Your Excellency, Ambassador Kon Chian Wo, our Chairperson, Mr. Ahmad Ali Habib, members of the Board of Directors, members of EXCO, and senior management. Distinguished guests, colleagues, members of the media. Very good afternoon and a warm welcome to you all. It is with pride that I stand before you today. This is a historic moment, not just for Bank of Maldives, but for the financial future of our country. Today, we open a new chapter in our nation's economic story. We are building a stronger and more efficient financial link with one of our most important trading partners, the People's Republic of China. As you know, many in our business community, our importers and exporters, and even members of the public depend on transactions with China. As the national bank and the largest financial institution in the Maldives, we wanted to make this process simpler, faster, and easier. So today, Bank of Maldives is proud to launch a full range of Chinese yuan services. This is the first of its kind in the Maldives. Firstly, both individuals and businesses can now open Chinese yuan accounts with us. You can hold, manage, and do transactions directly in yuan. Secondly, local businesses and individuals can send and receive international transfers in yuan from tomorrow. Thirdly, importers and exporters can now issue letters of credit, LCs, in yuan. This will make trade with Chinese partners smoother, faster, and more efficient. These changes will make a real difference to Maldivians, but that's not all. Many of us already use WeChat Pay when traveling to China. I'm excited to announce every BML customer can now link their Visa or MasterCard, debit or credit card to WeChat Pay. This means you can now pay merchants in China directly. In simple words, any Maldivian can now pay like a local in China. And in another first, BML customers can also receive payments in yuan directly into their WeChat wallet. You can use these funds for peer-to-peer transfers and payments. This is real progress, bringing more convenience to our people than ever before. And our vision does not stop here. From January next year, Bank of Maldives will begin issuing Union Pay debit and credit cards billed in yuan. These will be available for both individuals and businesses. This will open access to global payment network accepted in over 180 countries and regions. It will connect Maldives more closely with the world. I want to thank Your Excellency, Ambassador, for being here with us today, to our dedicated team at BML, and to the Board of Directors led by Chairperson Mr. Ahmad Ali Habib. Thank you for your hard work and belief in our projects. This is not just about new services, it is a promise, our promise as the nation's bank, to drive progress, to embrace innovation, and to always put our customers at the heart of everything we do. Thank you.
Shukriya, Sharif. I would like to invite His Excellency Mr. Kon Xianwo, Ambassador of People's Republic of China to the Republic of Maldives, and the Chairman of Bank of Maldives, Mr. Ahmad Ali Habib, to officially launch the Yuan account services, inward and outward telegraphic transfers via Chinese Yuan, and LC confirmation in Chinese Yuan. Please. Thank you. Now it's my pleasure to invite His Excellency Mr. Kon Xianwo, Ambassador of the People's Republic of China to the Maldives, to give his remarks. Mr. Kon Xianwo.
Mr. Ahmed Ali Habib, Chairperson of Bank of Maldives, Mr. Sharif, CEO and Managing Director of Bank of Maldives, board members, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum, a very good afternoon. It is a great honor for me to attend today's event, to witness the official launch of CNY account service by Bank of Maldives, and that the bank will announce plans to issue Union Pay cards at the beginning of 2026. This marks a new and significant step forward in financial cooperation between China and the Maldives. In September 2024, the People's Bank of China and the Ministry of Economic Development and Trade of the Maldives signed the Memorandum of Understanding on a framework for cooperation to promote the settlement of current account transactions and direct investment in local currencies, which laid a foundation for in expanding the use of local currencies and facilitating bilateral trade and investment. In January this year, the China-Maldives Free Trade Agreement officially entered into force, providing a solid institutional guarantee for trade and investment facilitation between our two countries. The opening of CNY Yuan accounts at Bank of Maldives is an important step to implement the consensus reached by the two heads of state and to advance the implementation of the CMFTA. Promoting local currency settlement will strongly boost bilateral economic and trade development. By settling directly in local currencies, we can effectively reduce exchange rate fluctuation risks, cut costs in foreign exchange intermediaries, and improve capital efficiency. This not only provides enterprises with a more convenient and secure financial environment for cross-border transactions, but also enhances the independence and the resilience of both financial systems. The launch of renminbi accounts is a key move in putting the local currency settlement agreement into practice. It offers diversified options for enterprises and financial institutions, makes cross-border payments and fund transfers more efficient, and creates opportunities for SMEs to participate in bilateral trade. With the deepening implementation of the CMFTA, local currency settlement, and the launch of renminbi accounts will become crucial tools for promoting CMFTA, further unleashing trade potential, expanding investment scale, and broadening areas of cooperation. Not long ago, His Excellency President Dr. Moizu, following his successful visit to China in early 2024, once again paid an official visit to China. This fully demonstrates the great importance that the leaders of both countries attach to China-Maldives relations, and injects new and strong impetus into building a China-Maldives community of a shared future. I firmly believe that with the joint efforts of both sides, China-Maldives financial cooperation will reach new heights, and the further of our cooperation will be even brighter, and that will bring more fruitful results for both of our peoples. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ambassador. Adarun mihaisam dannawalana miyadu mi arme mi taaruf kuri hidmetakuge kuru hulasa asakalmenge MD Sharif fahakollevi speech ga fahakolle kantatarun kurko dannawalana emme furutama kamaka am farudunna vefaritaka miharu Chinese yuan nung account huluwene ege iturun miya ekiga mi yuan ge account belehettuma manage kuruma adi yuan account muamala kurwen then devana kamaka local viafaritaka am farudunna yuan nung TT fonua adi yuan nung inward remittance ke gotuga fasa liben timman kamaka on faha kollanang importer na exporter na waraha sahabare ei miharu yuan nung LC hedene adi mikong saubun China ga partner na ekiga kura muamalata itura faseheve avasve adi harudana vegen dan then air kolon faha kollana miharu BML ge customerunge visa nuata mastercard mi ege debit card nuata credit card WeChat pay ed kollevene eya ekuga komme divessakavves miharu China ga local leng hen ad Sharif vidalu hen China ga local leng hen miharu fasa dekked ad mige iturun BML customerunna miharu sida e customerunge WeChat wallet yuan num fasa libene efahu peer to peer transfer taka adi payment tahuga mi wallet fasa beenun kurven ade kurim faha kollevi mi wara hagigi courierume rayutunna no tarmenge customeruna mi kurin nu libewaruge fasehetake mi taaruf kore hidmetaka libigen dan mehsa warun mi hafla nimmalana bari wedane huriha befronna wara bajer doha ke edin wassalamu alaikum